you ever dream about starting your own home-based business that you can spend time with your kids and gain financial freedom? Journey with me today as I share with you the best home-based businesses for single moms. Stick around as I share with you my favorite idea for home-based businesses. The first home-based business idea for single mothers is coaching and consulting. This can be done online. You can share your expertise, for example, in parenting or even knitting. Whatever you are expert in, you can share this online. It can be done by Zoom and also Skype. You can have one-on-one coaching sessions with persons and charge a small fee for your services. This can be done from the comfort of your own home. Now, single moms, if you are thinking about starting your online home-based business, you can consider online coaching or consulting. My second business idea that you can start from your home is e-commerce entrepreneurship. Selling online has becoming the new buzz for our century. Start selling things online such as jewelry or handmade products, craft items. You can do it with Etsy, Ecwid, or Shopify. These are user-friendly sites that you can sign up to become a part of and display your items on them. Having an online store for you as a single mom will also help you to generate income for you and your family. Single moms, in the comments, let me know what you have started doing, what home-based business that you have started for yourself. Share the ideas with us so that we can all learn from each other. My third home-based business idea is content creation and blog writing. If you love to write as a single mother, you can share things that you are writing about. You can share your experiences, share this in a blog and monetize it and make money from it. And you can do this from the comfort of your home. Also, for content creation, you can start a YouTube channel. You can share your passions on YouTube. If you love to cook, you can share that. Share different dishes that you have prepared for your family. Dishes that are budget friendly, that is working for you and your family. You can do that through a YouTube channel. You can easily monetize your knowledge, your expertise in whatever area that you are expert in. My fourth home-based business is network marketing. Network marketing is the business of the 21st century, as Robert Kiyosaki said. It will help us as single moms to generate financial freedom if we work it. So thinking about joining a network marketing company will help you to spend more time with your children at home, because this is a home-based business. You can start this from the comfort of your home. You do not have a lot to deal with as it relates to inventory. The startup cost for network marketing is very minimal. Also, you want to make sure that you do the research on the company that fits you as a single mom, and also the products and services that network marketing company is offering. Is it something that you would enjoy doing? So you look at all these details and make your decision. If you also want to get more information about the network marketing company that I'm a part of, you can feel free to send me a message, or I will also leave the link in the description. Because single moms, feel free to share in the comments if you are a part of a network marketing company. You do not have to give the name of the company, but just to tell us, yes, you are a part of a network marketing company. Also, you can share with us in the comments what home-based business have you started and is it working for you? Now, as I move on to my bonus idea, my bonus tip is event planning from home. Single moms, use your organizational skills to plan home events, plan birthday parties, plan wedding anniversaries. These events, you can plan them for individuals. It can be face-to-face events. It can also be virtual events. Use your skills that you have learned over these years to make some money, monetize them. Some persons have their interior decorating skills. They love to decorate the home. They can also do events for individuals and do the decoration. So there are so many ideas that single moms can implement to start their own base business. So single moms, bring your creative touch to the memorable moments. Finally, single moms, remember to have a successful home-based business, you have to continue learning, you have to be dedicated, and you also have to build genuine connections. That's a wrap, my incredible single moms. If you receive value from this video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.